Hello, knowledge seekers. Welcome to Remedial Tutorial Academy. In this video, we will see operations with rational numbers. Let's add, subtract, multiply, and divide rational numbers in fractional form. To add or subtract fractions, take note if they have the same denominator or different denominators. Example, 3/4 plus 1/4. Since they have the same denominator, the numerators 3 plus 1 is 4, then copy the common denominator. Then simplify. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Another example, -7/8 minus -5/8. They have the same denominator, which is 8. -7 minus -5 is -2/8. Simplify. 2 is common. Divide both numbers by 2. So -2 divided by 2 is -1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. The answer is -1/4. Another example, -6/7 plus 4/7. They have the same denominator, which is 7. Add -6 plus 4. -6 plus 4 is -2. Copy the common denominator, 7. It is already in simplified form. How about if they have different denominators? Example, 1/2 plus 3/4. Let's add using 3 methods. First is finding the LCD, the least common denominator. 1/2 plus 3/4, the LCD is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2, times 1 is 2, plus 4 divided by 4 is 1, times 3 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5/4. You can also write it in mixed number, 1 and 1/4. Another method is by renaming fractions. 1/2 plus 3/4. Let us rename 1/2 to have a denominator of 4. What must be multiplied to 2 to get 4? Multiply 2 to the denominator as well as to the numerator. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3/4. Note that they already have the same denominator. So 2 plus 3 is 5, and copy 4. This is also equal to 1 and 1/4. It's up to you to choose what is convenient for you. Not more examples in addition and subtraction of rational numbers in fractional form, with different denominators. -3/5 minus 5/6. Find the LCD. Since they have no common factor aside from 1, just multiply the denominators, 5 and 6, to find the LCD. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. 30 divided by 5 is 6, times -3 is -18. Minus 30 divided by 6 is 5, times 5 is 25. -18 minus 25 is -43, all over 30. This is also equal to -1 and 13/30. Times 6 is 30, minus 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 5 is 30. Now we already have a common denominator. -18 minus 25 is -43/30, which can be written as -1 and 13/30. Another method is to cross-multiply. Add the results and multiply the two denominators. -3/5 minus 5/6. Cross-multiply. -3 times 6 is -18, minus 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. But if 18 minus 25 is -43 all over 30, this is also equal to -1 and 13/30. Another example, -2/3 plus 1/4. Find the LCD. LCD is 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1, times -3 is -3, plus 8 divided by 4 is 2, times 1 is 2. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1, all over 8. Another method is to rename 1/4 to have a denominator of 8. Multiply the numerator by 2 and 2 also to the denominator. Negative 3 over 8 plus 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1 over 8. Do you have difficulty in renaming? Use this method. Cross multiply. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. 8 times 1 is 8. All over 8 times 4 is 32. Negative 12 plus 8 is negative 4 over 32. 4 is common, divide the numerator and the denominator by 4. This is equal to negative 1 over 8. Another example, negative 2 over 3 minus negative 4 over 5. The LCD is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5 times negative 2 is negative 10 minus 15 divided by 5 is 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Negative 10 minus negative 12 is 2 all over 15. If you have difficulty in finding the LCD, rename. Multiply negative 2/3 by 5 over 5. Multiply negative 4 over 5 by 3 over 3. This is now equal to negative 10 over 15 minus negative 12 over 15. This is equal to negative 10 minus negative 12 is 2 over 15. If you think renaming is difficult, try this method. Cross multiply. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10 minus 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. All over, the product of 3 and 5 is 15. Negative 10 minus negative 12 is 2 all over 15. Multiplication. Find the product of the following. 3 over 4 times 5 over 7 is equal to 3 times 5 all over 4 times 7. 3 times 5 is 15 over 28. Easy to get the product. Together multiply the numerators and together multiply the denominators. Another example, negative 1 over 2 times negative 3 over 4. Negative 1 times negative 3 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. Number 3, negative 7 over 8 times 2 over 5 is equal to negative 14 over 40. Simplify. This is equal to negative 7 over 20. Number 4, 6 over 7 times negative 5 over 12. Note that 6 is a common factor to 6 and 12. Simplify first before you multiply. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. 7 times 2 is 14. Division. Find the quotient of the following. 5 over 8 divided by 3 over 4. To divide numbers in fractional form, multiply the dividend to the reciprocal of the divisor. Note that 4 is common to 4 and 8. Simplify first. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6.
6. Another example, negative 1/2 divided by 2/3. Copy negative 1/2 times the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. This is equal to negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. All over 2 times 2 is 4. Another example, negative 7 over 9 divided by negative 8 over 9. Copy negative 7 over 9 multiplied the reciprocal 9 over negative 8. Simplify first. Negative 7 over negative 8 is 7 over 8. If you want to find a quotient right away without rewriting this, methods might give great help. It can be written horizontally or vertically. If it is written in this form, just cross-multiply. 5 times 4 is 20. 8 times 3 is 24. Simplify, divide the numerator by 4 and the denominator by 4 also. The answer is 5 over 6. If it is written this way, just draw an arrowhead as guide. 5 times 4 is 20. 8 times 3 is 24. Simplify, the answer is 5 over 6. For example, negative 1/2 divided by 2 over 3, let's start here. Cross multiply, negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. 2 times 2 is 4. This one, negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Thanks for watching.